So, I have completed my review of the Orion Knives Solaris, and I am going to go ahead and complete my scale swap today with the G10, jade G10 natural scales that I got, as well as my backspacer and my pivot collars. I'm going to go on to effectively quiet mode, as this will essentially be fast forwarded for the most part. Hardware wise, another great feature I even forgot in my review is everything's basically T8, so you just need one driver there for this whole thing. I'm going to go ahead and proceed on this sucker. Well, I'm clearly going to have to pull the hair dryer out to loosen up the thread locker. It doesn't look like it was thread locker from hell. It's not necessarily blue, but this particular one is definitely in a little bit snug. So I'll go ahead and pause the video there and work on taking out this pocket clip so I can move forward. Okay, so back at it. I just had to knock the pocket clip does have the longer screw on it. There's not an inordinate amount of thread locker from hell or anything. It's just that it is basically free spinning, and the tolerance is actually very good on this receiver nut. That it just, I literally had to heat it up just a little bit with some the blow dryer to loosen up that thread locker, and then I was able to basically utilize this along with a piece of rubber so I wouldn't scratch it or affect it, and squeeze it in between there and then screw that loose. So I'm going to go back into silent mode and continue on. So, there we have it. This is now my newly christened Green Goblin version of the Orion Knives Solaris with the jade green G10 scales as well as the back spacer and then those pivot collars. So, for those that don't like green knives, they're not going to like this, but I absolutely love it now, and it's definitely adds a whole new cool dimension as far as I'm concerned to this particular knife. Let me go and clean it off. Kind of gets dirty there. The one thing I will say is there are basically the receiver nuts, which are in between, your back spacer screws. Those are free spinning, so you'll have to, be careful and creative on those. I did have to use the, if you jump to the end for whatever reason, I did have to use a hair dryer to heat those up just a little bit, and then I was able to unscrew them nicely. Just use a little bit. They weren't over thread lockered or anything. I just put a little bit of blue on there to re-snug that back up. When I got the knife, it was not 100% perfectly down the center. It's not still, but this is exactly as I received it. So in that sense, this modularity thing is fantastic. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, like and subscribe, and hope you had a great day. Take care now. Bye.